Welcome to the Neon Tech channel, your go-to destination for all things tech. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how to create captivating cartoon videos using the latest technology. So grab your creative hat and let's dive into the neon-lit world of cartoon animation. Hey there, creative enthusiasts! Your guide to the exciting realm of neon tech. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of creating stunning cartoon videos that will captivate your audience. Let's get started. Before we jump into the technical aspects, let's talk about the foundation of any great cartoon video: the characters. Sketch out your characters on paper or use digital drawing tools to bring them to life. The possibilities are endless when it comes to designing unique and memorable characters for your cartoon world. Now that you have your characters, it's time to bring them to life using digital animation software. There are various options available, but for this tutorial, we'll be using Raw Shorts. It offers a user-friendly interface and a range of powerful tools that make the animation process a breeze. Step 1. Import your character designs into the software. You can scan your hand-drawn sketches or use digital files. Make sure each body part of your character is separated for easy animation. Step 2. Set up the keyframes. Keyframes are the main poses that define the motion of your character. Start with the initial pose and then add keyframes for different actions or movements. Step 3. Animate the in-between frames. The software will generate smooth transitions between the keyframes, creating the illusion of movement. Adjust the timing and easing to give your animation the desired impact. Step 4. Add expressions and emotions. Use the software's tools to manipulate the facial features of your characters, giving them a range of emotions that will enhance the storytelling. Step 5. Fine-tune your animation. Review your animation and make any necessary adjustments. Add additional details, backgrounds, and sound effects to bring your cartoon world to life. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to creating captivating cartoon videos using the latest technology. With a bit of creativity and the right tools, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining us on this neon tech adventure. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting tech content. Unleash your creative neon powers and create stunning cartoon videos with the Neon Tech channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Neon Tech channel for more inspiring tech tutorials. Let your imagination shine and create captivating cartoon videos that will mesmerize your audience.